Hi, Pumpkin. Got the hiccup? Oh, I hate that. I hate those hiccups. Let me see your feet. Oh, they're so cute. They're so long, your feet. You in your little dress? Hi. Hi, pretty boy. Want to smile? Want to smile for me?
Who's the bear?
Do you want to? Here's the bear. Okay, here's the bear. Boop. 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 Bless you. Oh my goodness. Want to say hi to the bear again? Hi, little bear. Boop. It's funny. Hi, little bear. Boop. Boop. Tickle, tickle. Boop. Jacob, hiccup. Look up, straight up. A little in the teacup is good for the hiccup. Huh? Jacob, hiccup. I know. You're like, I'm so tired of being you. Why can't you just play with me? Why can't you just play? Play. Yes, hi.